I have this old house that needs to sell, but it needs a lot of repairs, and I don't have the money.
Are you thinking about selling your home but feel stuck because of those costly renovations? Let's face it, renovations are expensive, stressful, and time-consuming. You know your home could sell for more, but how can you afford to fix it up first? What if I told you there's a way to maximize your home's value without paying a single dime up front? Sounds like a dream, right? At Turnaround Properties, we make that dream a reality with our Remodel Now, Pay When Sold program. Here's how it works. First, we partner with you to transform your home into a buyer's dream. Second, whether it's a modern kitchen, a stunning bathroom, or fresh paint, we handle it all from start to finish. And the best part? You don't pay a single penny until your home is sold. Imagine listing your home at top dollar, knowing it stands out in the market. Imagine getting the offer you've always dreamed of, without the financial strain or hassle of upfront costs. Don't let costly renovations hold you back. Let Turnaround Properties help you unlock your home's full potential. Call us today or visit our website to learn more about our Remodel Now, Pay When Sold program.